I don't see your screen
Can you see my screen?
yet.
Can you see my screen now?
Um, yes.
Okay. See,
Yes. Yes.
basically, in a Cypress, we cannot use like
Mm-hmm.
this. Like if I write like this constant and button.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose, for example, button is my variable. Okay, so I cannot use like
Mm-hmm.
this.
Right. Right.
Correct? Agree?
Yes.
Yeah. So like we use this one in Selenium, correct? But not now in this Cypress.
Cypress. Yes.
Yes. If I write like this constant form cy dot get form,
It won't work.
it won't work.
Right.
Yeah. So
Yes. It won't work.
yeah. So in that case, like this aliases come into picture. So alias, like we use alias. Like for example, as I said, like for example, I'm having one variable, so I have to give that it's very long, okay, as a string. So I have to use as a aliases, giving the small name, and use that aliases using at the rate.
Right. Right.
Yeah, so assign an alias for later use, so reference the alias later. So you got it, my point.
Yes.
Yeah, so in that case, when you showcase that me that the alias now, so whenever you are defining any aliases, so you have to, whenever you accessing that one, you have to put at the rate before that one.
Right. Right. Right.
Yeah, for example, if I give one example to you, like for example, like for instance, if I write like this cy.get, okay, this is my username, for example, so I can just write as my username.
Hmm.
Okay, now if I want to access this username, I just write on cy.get at the rate username.
Hmm.
Got my point?
Hmm.
This is use of aliases. And while we do the API testing, at the time we use this aliases.
Right.
Correct. So like if I so for aliases we use .as. Okay. So it might be, this string might be very lengthy. Okay. Is username like this. So when we use aliases, so when we call this one, it woke this one.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the concept of alias here. Like if you see the intercept, like if I'm showcasing you like some intercept or API testing here in my code, I've used aliases here. For instance, if I go to intercept concept here, one second now, actually, I just find out that one.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, intercept. Here I am using that then function.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, see here.
Hmm.
See, if I am intercept something, na, like this is one website. Like you can say node URL. Okay, the post command. Okay,
Hmm. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
this is bit little longer, na? Like it's lengthy, you can say. So I just create one aliases request.
Okay.
or whenever I call this, I want to suppose wait or whatever, so I just use cy.wait at the rate request. So it
Hmm.
directly calling this one. So it means that this whole line is commit this request. And whenever if
Okay.
you want to call this line, you just put at the rate here prefix and request. So it's the use of aliases here,
Right.
yeah.
Okay. So we use it when we have in API testing for
Yeah.
requests. We
Even
use it
though,
for
yeah, correct. Even though I'm having an example here, aliases. Yeah, can you see this one?
yes.
Yeah. So see in this Google page, when we create the Google page, google.com. So we get one. So suppose I'll just open the Google page, google.com. Okay. When I inspect it now, I'm reading this. Like if I go and I click here, I just so I'm getting this classes here.
Hmm.
Can you see this class? This,
Yes.
yeah, this name type both. Okay.
Yeah.
So
I can see the attributes. Yes.
yeah, exactly. So what I have done, like this class .gl5, I use as text box.
Okay.
Okay, as aliases.
Hmm.
Now instead of writing this one, I just write this at the red text box dot type India.
Hmm.
So this at text box is my contain this class.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yes.
Like you can write in two ways. Like for example, cy.get and this class. Okay, take this class in the single
And
quote.
then type.
Yeah, and type.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, and that
Why
dot.
we need two lines of code where we can do it in one line of code? I mean, just curious.
Yeah, actually the reason in this class is very small, so there is no need to use aliases here. For
Ah,
yeah,
okay.
for explaining I'm writing this one how to use the aliases. But
Ah, okay.
suppose your class is very big
Okay.
and you want to give some name to that class.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that text box or what, like some what happened, like when developer changes their code now, they also change the class name or ID whatever. So
Ah,
in that case, we should know that yeah, which class they got changed. So we just go to text box, whatever class name we put.
okay. Okay. Got it.
Got
Yeah.
it. So like in see this GLF5, I don't understand what is GLF5, but when I see this text box, oh, this is the text box. I got it clearly.
The class. Oh, okay. Okay. Got it.
Got it.
Yes.
Yeah. Now same as like if I see here like FP doll C something, so I don't understand. Oh, I think that this is a class, but I don't know what class exactly it belongs to. But when I see this one, oh, it's a Google search.
Ah, okay.
So I'm writing this cword at the rate Google search dot click. Okay. So I'm text box in that text box I'm typing in India and just clicking on the Google search.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So like I have to explain that in Cypress we don't have that kind of function. You cannot assign anything to variable. So instead that we
Right.
can use aliases here.
Ah, okay.
Got clear,
Okay.
Rajshri?
Yes. 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 I kind of I had used it like that, but I just wanted to get the where else we can use. I mean, this I haven't seen. The ones that I've used is with the den.
Okay.
Um, and the constant and then wrap that and then use an alias and then do a wait. But
Yeah.
this is also another way to do it.
Yeah, this was simple without API testing, without then without wrap. Simple
Oh, okay.
to get understand exactly why we use this aliases and when to use this aliases.
Okay. Got it.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. And the next query of yours is like, you have sent
Um,
me the text now. You cleared that concept of wrapping. Why we wrap?
yeah, yeah. I went back and reviewed what you showed me. Like with a variable, we cannot do it directly, so we have to use wrap to get the value.
Exactly.
Um, because in Cypress we cannot. Yeah, I went back and
Okay.
revisited the. Yeah, that is okay.
Okay.
Um, Aliases and variables. So that's what I did.
Okay.
Uh, and so I worked on all of this again, and I worked on getting it from another block. So how do you get it from another block? So using this, so I did that. Um, Using that alias,
Mm-hmm.
we can get it from another block. So I did that, and we were doing that each.
Each iterator.
Each iterator. I had other things to do, so I did not get to the next one, index and list.
Yeah, yeah.
So maybe we can go over that before you do some other topic.
Today what I am planning to teach you
Uh-huh.
Git.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Then let's do that, and then we can go over the other one because I was busy with some other things at work, so
Mm-hmm.
just didn't have time. Uh,
Okay. So shall we start the Git one?
okay.
So before we start the Git, what do you understand by the name Git, and have you used Git?
Yeah, I've used GitHub is like a repository. Like you have a browser one, and you also can have the local.
Mm-hmm.
So when there is a master,
Branch.
what I do is I create a clone in
Mm-hmm.
my local,
Mm-hmm.
and then work on the make working copy. Uh, you make changes in my working copy and then commit to the local, and then from there I do a pull request to the master,
Mm-hmm.
so then they look at it and approve it, or I make more changes and then uh, do another pull request for a review, and then it gets merged to the master, because I don't usually ever work on the master itself, but
Okay.
create my own
Okay.
local.
Okay. So in that scene, I just give one scenario to you.
Hmm.
Can you do it that one?
Sure.
Yeah. So what I want, you just create one folder. Okay.
Okay.
Inside that folder, create one text, like
Uh,
inside the in the notepad, create some
Oh,
text like hi, hello, how are you?
in Notepad.
Yeah, in the notepad. Yeah. Create one folder and
Okay.
say yeah, and in that create one notepad, and in that notepad write down some
Mm.
text.
Mm.
And what I want, by using command, you push your code to your repository. Is it possible? Can you do that one?
Mm. Yes. So then I have to create a new repository locally.
If you have already created, then no worry. You can push that one. If you want, you can create your new one also.
Yeah, I can. I can show you.
Yeah, you
Let me
can.
save this.
Yeah,
Mm.
I'm stop sharing.
Oh, okay. Let
Yeah,
me save this.
yeah.
Mm. Uh, okay. So let me share. Um, Can you see mine?
Yes.
So I'm creating a new one.
Okay.
Um, mm, so here I have to choose the right path. Um, I think I created it somewhere here. I think I put it here. I can't remember. Let me see. Ah, not here. Hold on. Let me check where I put it.
Or else you can create your new folder. Huh? Doesn't matter.
I saved that notepad.
Okay.
Um,
Hello. वालेकुम सलाम.
I just wanted to see
ऊपर है मैं. क्या
where
हुआ भाई?
I saved it. Let me see.
हाँ. अच्छा.
Hold on 1 second.
तो वापस करेंगे ना उसको.
Ah,
आया नहीं शुरू को मैं.
mm, I don't think that text document is showing up in here.
No, create your own na text. Doesn't matter. Like you create your own.
No, no, it's that text notepad that I created and I put it in my folder. It's not showing up here.
So you can create new one na. Forget that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I'm finding the path there, right? This is a different one, so I don't want to choose this. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, I don't understand.
No, no. I created one, like you said,
Okay. Okay.
in here, but it's in dot text. So if does it not pull dot text?
It's not like that.
You understand my question? So here, this let me share the other screen. Uh, this is where my document is. Do you see it?
No, I'm not. Yeah. No.
So I'm changing it. Sorry.
Okay.
This is where it is, but it's not catching it. See, I have the Cypress example for text here, but it's not catching it.
Okay. So can you click
Mhm.
on new folder?
Okay. Okay. Um, yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. Give some name. Cypress.
Um,
Git. Something like testing. Uh,
okay.
Open that.
Uh,
Yeah. This one. Yeah. Now right click for the text.
mm,
Right click.
yeah, I am.
Yeah. But okay. You.
I am. It's not showing there on your screen, but I'm right click. I'm doing right click.
Okay, so you're not getting any creating notepad and all.
I did create one.
Okay, I don't know like why it is not showing.
Maybe.
One second, one second. Give me 5 minutes, huh? One second.
Yeah, yeah. No,
Just 5 minutes.
I did.
Just 5 minutes.
Yeah, I did create one. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, hi Rajesh. Sorry, yeah.
Sure.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, yes. Can
Yes,
you
yes,
hear me? Yeah,
yes.
I created that folder and I created a file inside that folder.
Okay.
So we can just create repository, or do I need to add this also?
This is what exactly create a new. Okay, create. Okay, click on create a new repository.
I don't need to initialize README.
Initialize. Okay, it's a readme file, na. If you want, you can just click. You are using iOS, na?
No, Windows.
Uh, why then? Why you cannot able to save the text box in your folder? I don't understand.
Yeah, I did now. I created the folder and then added the text there. But earlier, when I created the text, just in that, in my main thing, it didn't show in here. But now I have it inside that folder.
Okay, great, great. Now you have created the repository, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now what I want, use some command like initiate init command. So you know all the commands.
Yes. In the command prompt?
Yeah, in the command, like for example, what I want,
Yeah.
in your file, like you have one folder. In the inside the folder, there is one text box. Okay. What I want that you using the command, you just push the code into your repository.
Yeah, I know that. Either I can do it, commit here and publish it, or I can go to command line and do it.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
yeah.
You use command line.
Okay. I don't think you can see it, can you?
No, I'm not able to see.
Yeah, okay. Let me change it to command. Let me open it again. Let me open it and then change it.
Okay.
How about now?
Yeah. No, I can able to see this one. Correct.
Oh, I have to go git bash there first.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
So in your current company, you're using repository GitHub or what?
we are, yes.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. It's not showing you this. Mm, can you see it?
Yeah.
I just do some random
Okay.
uh, message because this is not a like our real files where you have to do some comments.
Exactly.
So just
Exactly. Yeah.
yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Correct.
Now I have to go to my GitHub and create one.
After
Hold
committing,
on.
next step is what? After committing, next step is what?
I have to go to my repo to create a remote, and then the remote origin you have to do, right?
Exactly. You have to don't go anywhere. Just in this command prompt only you can do that one. Just write
Okay.
on git remote add origin, and just copy that link and paste here. There your GitHub link.
Right, right, right. Usually I paste the whole thing down, right this part,
Okay, okay. No worries.
but that's okay. Because there, the whole thing is there. If I make like a small mistake, it won't, right?
Exactly.
So to be safe, uh, hold on, I'm making that one. I'm getting the Can you see it?
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
Okay. I just want to make sure.
Okay. Now next step is what?
Git push,
Correct. Get push and which branch?
master.
Yeah, master branch. Yeah, and check it out in your GitHub whether this text box is getting reflected or not.
Reflected or
Just
not, yeah.
refresh it.
Let me share that. Hmm. Here, this was the one we did.
Okay. Yeah, you got it now.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So this I've done, but um, so if I'm doing the local branch, from the local branch
Mm-hmm.
to the main master, from the local branch, I have a working copy and I work on it, and it reflects in the local branch. It will say more changes and commit. Once I do that,
Mm-hmm.
uh, since I'm doing all on my own, it doesn't. There's no pull request. You know what I mean? It's my own branch.
Okay. Yeah.
But if it is the main one, I hold on. I'll show you. I will get a pull request here instead of this publish, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you.
Okay.
So right now there is nothing.
Okay.
But if I'm doing a like there is another one that I so here I I changed things and I all that, but here I didn't make a branch for this one.
Okay.
So if I have a local branch
Mm-hmm.
and I made the commits, then it will ask for a pull request, correct? Not a publish.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Instead of publish, I will get a pull request here.
Correct. Yeah.
I just want to make sure I'm clear with that.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
Instead of publishing, because I don't want to publish like that.
Yeah. It give you pull request.
Oh, okay, okay. That's the part I wanted to clarify. I guess I have a better understanding now.
Okay.
Um,
Great.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, most welcome. So this is the repository. You can create your repository. You can create your file. You can commit it. So
Mhm.
basically, like one thing I want to ask before committing, you add and give the star one. What we call that line in the git command before committing? You add that file and giving the star. Correct.
Yes,
So what that line indicate? What does it mean?
because I'm adding all my new
Exactly. You are
first I
exactly.
initialize, then
Yeah.
adding my new, yeah.
Exactly. So what line they call in Git technology, Git technical term?
Uh, what I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's called stash,
Okay.
or you can also call it stage.
Ah, staging and committing.
Yeah.
Yes.
So whatever you are committing now, that should be stash or that should be in staging. Then only you can commit it.
Right, right, right.
So
Hmm.
it's a level of like first stash, then committing, then you are like connecting with your remote with local, and then you're pushing that one.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's a level of like you can say Git command, like how to push all the files into your repository.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Let me write that part down.
exactly. You can write down.
Uh, uh, okay. Git add to it is that's the part that is staging, right?
Yeah, you can call it stash or you can also call
Yeah,
staging.
that's
Both are
staging.
same.
Ah, okay. So when I'm doing it from VS Code, it says staging and then commit.
Exactly,
So
exactly. Yeah,
that's the add part. Okay, makes sense. Okay. So when you're doing from VS Code, um, is it just push or do you see a pull request there?
at my side.
No, usually when you do it from VS Code,
Yeah, yeah.
I've not noticed a um, uh, like a pull request.
Okay,
Let me see, show you. Um,
okay, okay. Share your screen. Your VS code.
yes. Let me see.
कुसुम 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 मारे क्या कुसुम या बातें मत कर
Uh, give me 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, so let me. mm, Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
So here I have the Cypress right here. Okay.
Okay. So go to three dots, right side, click.
Yeah.
You can see pull, push, clone.
Uh, right. But right now there isn't any. So in here there is some. Do you see?
Yeah, you can commit one by one, na, each one. All are waiting to commit. Give message and
Yeah.
commit it.
Okay.
Yeah, this one, the files which we have changed recently. So they want that you push it. So before pushing, you're just committing it, na?
Yes, but what if I just want to do a
Okay.
uh, Yeah.
There are no stage change to commit. Would like to stage all the changes. Yeah, first you have to stage now. Always click on
Yeah.
always.
Oh, sorry.
No,
I
no.
always.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. So, um, so it says sync changes. Push to, that's the one I wanted to know. So if I do a pull,
Yeah. Yes, sync and pull.
so I want to create a pull request. How would I do it, even if it's my own branch?
Yeah, click on pull.
Okay. So will it be reflected there?
Yeah, yeah, you can check it out. It should.
Okay. Okay. See, so then I get this in my local. Um, yeah, one commit waiting to be pushed. So the pull request is already created. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
then if I go to my browser version, I should see it.
okay, here what you can see here push origin, correct?
Yes. Uh,
No local
let me.
changes. There are no uncommitted changes in this repository. Here are some friendly suggestions for what to do next. It's saying to
Yeah,
push.
I just finished the changes. That's why it's not because I
Yeah,
already
yeah.
committed through VS Code.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah.
So, so I'll
Yeah, you go
go
and just
there.
yeah, do that one.
There, I don't see any pull requests.
Okay, show me that VS code.
VS Code? Okay. Mm. I thought
Local repository.
in my browser I will see a pull request because I did the pull.
Yeah, but you're not able to see that one, na?
No. So this is what I did. So if I sync changes, it will push.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of pushing, I want to see if I see a pull request
Pull
there.
request. Yeah, exactly.
So I can show you my other screen, my browser version,
Okay.
where I don't see a pull request. So my thing was new commit. So maybe I refresh this
Hmm.
and see. Yeah, I did refresh.
Yeah, but no changes.
Hmm.
Here,
Shouldn't I see a pull request here?
yeah, you can see the pull request na, after issues.
I do, but it's not here.
Yeah, new pull request now it's showing you.
That is to create, right?
Yeah, there is to create one. Yeah, let me
No,
check.
but I.
Let me check at my end, like what happened.
Okay.
Yeah, just I'm sharing my screen to you. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'll stop.
Yeah, yeah. I'll just open my GitHub.
Okay.
Okay, now I go to here. See, here there is no remote configured to pull from. So this is what you are getting this output. Your repository has no remote configured to pull from. So first you have to configure the remote one.
I already have a remote one, no? I
Using
already created one.
that command, correct?
Yeah, I already have a remote
Yeah,
where I've been pushing so far.
in
All
the
I wanted was to change into pull request.
pull request. Yeah. So in my case, I have to configure with that repository and then I have to check it out.
Yeah,
So first I'll check it out. I get in it. Okay. Then I have to use which command? Now tell me. After getting
add,
it, add. Yeah.
add,
So how to write git add? If I use star,
space,
space
space,
star.
dot.
Okay.
Yeah,
Say audit oil file. Okay. Now next step is what? Is adding what?
commit,
Git commit. Correct.
commit.
Git
Yes,
slash ham now. Git commit
dash
message
M, and then your, yeah.
test. Okay. Now I have to add the repository. Correct. So
Yes.
just I go to my GitHub here
Mm-hmm.
and I just go and create one repository here. For instance, like if I go here, even repository, even though I can go here, create. This is my repositories.
Mm-hmm.
I create new one. So today is 1510, so I'll just create a 1510. At what time I'm doing this one 1923. Okay, this one the repository I'm using now.
Okay.
Yeah, I just create repository. Now I just copy this one. I go to
Okay.
my VS Code and now tell me the command get git remote
Mode add
add origin
origin. Yeah. And then your link.
copy paste. Okay, now okay,
Git. Yeah.
now git
Mm-hmm. Push
push
dash U.
origin master. I can say if I am
Okay.
not using, then see what happened now. Git push origin master. So it's taking all the files of mine,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and second thing, actually I haven't used this one as a private or public. Doesn't matter for me. It's not a okay. So I have to check it out. I refresh it. See, I can see this one.
Yes.
Yeah. Now whatever I have pushed now, I want to pull into my local. Correct?
Mm, okay. No, if you are making changes in your local,
Yeah. If I'm doing some changes, for example, I do some changes like okay, if I create one file inside this integration folder, if I create one file here, pull.js.
mhm,
This is my new file, correct?
yes. Now, how will you do a pull request? Is what I want to know. I want to see it in the browser side.
Using some text here inside the file. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. So what is saying? Track.
Untracked.
Yeah.
Two pages. Yeah.
I just go to this track. I'll commit it. Okay.
Okay.
I can commit. I can push. Commit and push, and then commit and sync. What do you want? First, commit and push.
No, commit and then create a pull request
Okay. I'll
so that
first.
we can,
Okay.
yeah,
I'll commit it and then pull request.
yeah.
Yeah. I commit it now. Now it's committed.
Yes.
Now if you can see a pull, push here,
Yeah.
pull from rebase, pull from where you got deposit. Just write on that repository. Pick a
No,
repository.
no. Yeah, the pull from there is not necessary, right?
Okay.
There's no changes there. But instead you pull request so that the remote one is updated, like
Yeah, I'm just
the yeah.
putting it. There is no tracking information for the current branch.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm getting this message. There is no tracking information for the current branch here. So if I open this, open git log now. If you wish to set tracking information for this branch, you can do this with. Yeah, I'm having these branches now. I am having branches, so I have to add this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So you need to have a branch to do a pull request.
get branch. Yeah, it's saying like get branch setup.
Okay.
Yeah, let me check. So I'm using this one. Doesn't matter for me whether I use or that one or doesn't matter. Okay, this branch does not exist. It's saying to me. First, I publish this branch. Let me check once again. Now it's done. Committed. Now
Okay.
pull request. If I go to my local here, see compare and pull request I'm getting here.
So this is a branch. You
Yeah,
created a branch.
yeah,
So if you have a branch, you can do a pull request.
yeah. Compare and pull. If I request, yeah,
Okay. When you do that, what happens? Yeah.
create a pull request now. This branch can be automatically merged. Create a new pull request by comparing changes across two branches. Create pull request. So see, this is my
Ah,
got it.
okay. So I'll try that. I'll create a branch and try it.
Yeah, sure,
Okay. I will try that.
sure, sure.
Okay. Makes sense. So it automatically gave you that command, right, to create that branch. That's kind of neat. And you can change the name of your branch too,
Yeah,
right?
again, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yep. Okay, so
Okay.
is it fine?
Yeah, this is good. I will try it myself
Yeah,
and let you know.
yeah. You can try
Yeah.
and let me know. Yeah,
Yeah. And I did not have that time to do the other two each. You taught me the first one.
Yeah, yeah. We'll
Uh,
we'll do that one also, like index and list.
okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Okay.
Because I
We'll.
was doing something else, string and whatnot.
Okay. Yeah. So shall we wrap up the call, Ashri?
Okay, it's an hour. So did we say 2 hours or an hour?
It's 2 hours. Mm, I thought it's 1 hour is good, na? You have like a basic. We are completing that one.
Okay, then I'll note it down as 1 hour. So I thought we said 2 hours.
Yeah, you note it down.
So what about tomorrow? Can
Tomorrow,
we do?
tomorrow we'll see this each iterator with the index and list.
So today is October 15th. So 1 hour. So tomorrow is it two
Uh,
hours?
why are you adding the hours? Let me stop my screen. Yeah.